Just at Sports Direct in Lee, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. So yeah, even though we're in Sports Direct, it's actually a game in all the Sports Directs now, and they've got a big tub of mainline castings here, loads of random ones that I can see, and usually they're not a great price. They're usually £2.99, but Game have got a discount on at the moment that makes them £1.50, which brings them in line with like Aldi and all the other stores and stuff, so that's great to see. But yeah, let's have a look and see what we can find in this tub. And first up, we've got the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon from 2023's Hot Wheels Slammed set. This is a very cool Volvo wagon that is just built for drifting. It's a shame they've put these stickers on the card because you're gonna have to peel them off if you're keeping them fresh. This can be found as a super treasure hunt, but this one isn't. This is just your standard mainline. There's no Spectraflame paint, no rubber wheels, no golden stamp on the back of the card there. Never found the super, but yeah, I do have this one, so I'll leave that here. We've also got a Koenigsegg Jumeirah in this like metallic red colour, which looks awesome, and that's from the Hot Wheels Exotic set of 2023 as well, so seems like we've got a load of 2023 castings in here. I do like myself a good Koenigsegg. I did get questioned whether or not I picked up the Redline Club one, but no, unfortunately not. We don't have Overdrive in the UK, so unfortunately I did miss out on that one. It looks like most of these cards are battered, so it's probably going to be some loose collecting today, to be honest, going through this. But yeah, I'll pop this to one side. Let's keep looking. Really great casting, the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. I believe this was the new casting for 2023 as well, and that's from the Retro Racers set. I do love my race cars, and the Retro Racers set is usually a good one. But yeah, I do have this one, so let's keep looking. Very cool Land Rover Series 2, which does come with a surfboard attached on top there and a wheel on the bonnet as well. Very unique looking casting, and this is from that Baja Blazers set of 2023 as well. I have grabbed this one before, so I'll leave this here. Let's keep going. Hoping to find some good dupes so I can open them up, because I like to keep my collection mostly on card, but I don't mind taking a good duplicate. Oh, it's the Audi 90 Quattro, which is a great casting. Love this car in real life. It does look just like it as well. A nice big wide-bodied Audi with a cool racing livery on it. Oh, and this one looks like it's got a bit of an error there as well. Look at that. It's like it's got a big blob of paint that just ran everywhere on the side skirts. I do love this car, do love the casting, and Hot Wheels always do Audi justice. Look at the front end here. It's fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, I'll definitely take this as a duplicate. And we've also got the 1956 Corvette, which is part of that Hot Wheels Screen Time set of 2023. I think it's 2023. You can check on the back here. Yeah, it is. And it does have Barbie the movie stamped on the top left here. And yeah, Mattel brought the car out in loads of different colours to celebrate the fact that they released the movie. And one of my favourites was the grey one with the flame decals over the wheels. But yeah, I do have this one already, so I'll leave this here. Let's keep going. This Dodge Van's a really good one from 2024, isn't it? Yeah, 2024, and it's from that Hot Wheels van set of 2024. And the reason I really like this casting is this awesome racing livery, but also the little Easter egg that it has inside. Can you see that there? It's actually got a go-kart right in the back of this thing. Very cool casting. Love the fact that they put that in there. I do have it already, but I wouldn't mind opening one up, so I'll take this. Let's keep going. So what we're potentially seeing is a lot of peg warmers that have been left behind. No love for these cars, unfortunately, but hey, this is a great one. This is the tuned Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6 or the 964. Really awesome little tuned casting, and one of the cars that actually got me into the tuned castings because of how much detail Hot Wheels have put into this one. It's from that Hot Wheels tuned set of 2023, and I did collect a few of these. I do have a couple of dupes of this, so yeah, I'll leave this one here, but really good casting. Do like that one. Let's keep going. This one's a great one. It's the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. And that really striking Falcon livery. Look at the colours on this thing, guys. This is from the Then and Now set of 2023. And there are a few castings you can find with this exact livery on it. So you could maybe make a little side collection of Falcon livery stuff. I know I've been doing that with Gulf livery castings as well. So yeah, I do have this one already, but again, I wouldn't mind opening this up. Right, yeah, I'm going to be taking this one. So pop it down here. Let's keep going. I did pick up a couple of these before, but I wanted to mention it's been a long time since I've seen these clip rods, and they are really cool because they're part of the Experimotors set, and that means that they've got some sort of function to them. And if you do look on the back here, it does usually tell you what it can do, but this one doesn't. What it's for is it's got a clip on top, and if you've got a stack of money and you want to clip it in somewhere and keep it nice and safe, this is supposed to be the clip for your money there. So yeah, awesome little fantasy, and not seen it anywhere for a while, so very cool to see. Let's keep going. Oh, this is a cool one. It's the 1986 Toyota van from the Japanese import set. And this van actually looks identical to the one off Stranger Things, which I think is it Murray used. I'm not going to talk about the Stranger Things ending. I'm not going to give my opinion, but I am hunting down the Stranger Things BMW Premium. I've not seen that anywhere, and yeah, so give me a shout if you start seeing that one about, guys, and what stores it in, because yeah, I've not seen it anywhere. I've checked all the toy stores and stuff. So but yeah, very retro, cool Toyota van, which I do already have. So I'll leave that here. Let's keep going. I'd say this is an error, but it's not. It's just been stuck back together, ripped and completely destroyed the packaging. Yeah, not an error, been stuck back together from a battered card, unfortunately. Let's keep going. Going through dump bins is always so tricky, guys, because it's hard not to damage the cards. It's no wonder all of the cards are damaged. But yeah, this one's a great one. It's High Roller 2, which I think could be found as a super treasure hunt at some point. It's part of that rolling metal set, and that set is famous for having Zamak cars, which is just bare metal, no paint. You can see this one's got a big strip of it right down the middle, bare metal. And something really cool with this car is the decals are just little tiny Hot Wheels logos all over the side of it, which looks fantastic. Really cool casting. I've got this one, so I'll put this to one side. Let's keep going, not got much left. And here, maybe we'll find something good right at the bottom. Sorry for the lighting in here, guys, because it's just absolutely crazy. Well, it looks like we are just getting more of the same at the bottom of this. There's a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel there, factory fresh as well. That's a cool casting. But yeah, a lot of the same stuff, and I think most games have the exact same tubs with the exact same offer and a lot of the same cars as well, guys. So if you're seeing something here that you want to pick up, then probably your local Sports Direct / game has a very similar set of cars in to this one that you've seen here today. So yeah, if you want any of these, go check out your local game. And that's it. Anyway, I've pulled everything out, so I'm going to tidy all this up, tidy up the box, and we'll have a look and see what we found, guys. Well, we found some decent older castings in this game. Is there anything here that I've left that you would have grabbed? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.